Alright, we're gonna do that again. So it's pretty much RDLs into a clean, into a press. You're working your back with the RDLs. Then you're working explosiveness and that flip. And then squats. But when squats, as you can see, my feet are close together because we're working on more so stability, keeping your core tight, keeping your legs in, keeping your glutes flexed, because all you're doing is, and so it's all, you're trying to stay parallel, you're trying to stay, like picture a pole in between your back. So you hold it in between your not lap, but your back. And when you're holding it, you want to go down. Like as you can see, if you keep your back squeezed and you lean forward, not too.